Building the Buccaneer. Before we do anything with the build, we're going to replicate what we see in the instructions or this particular plan onto the laser cutout of the skeleton so we can identify the pieces. Find the laser cut sheet and then proceed to number exactly as the plan. This is what you should end up with, and now you're ready to continue. It is worth noting as you're cutting these out that these little tags are on both sides. So just pierce them and then flip over and just check the other side as you do it. Once you cut them out, get a fine piece of sandpaper and just gently sand all these little bits here just to make sure everything's nice and smooth. It's certainly worth noting at this point, I am a novice builder. The first build I've ever done is the Polaris, which I enjoy doing. However, I did make several mistakes. So the idea of doing this video is hopefully you won't make the same mistakes I made and we'll all learn from them. And likewise, if anyone has more experience and any other techniques that will certainly help me on my journey, please feel free to add in the comments or direct message me. We are now ready to start piecing everything together to continue building the skeleton. Remember, the Buccaneer is available from the TikTok shop. It does include all the paints that's needed, so please look out for our next video to continue the build.